शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते.
Good morning students. Kailash Chandra Panda from Shiksha Vikas Samiti welcomes you to a new English environment. In our last episodes, we discussed about different time prepositions and place prepositions. And in the current episode, we shall discuss some prepositions of position. In this context, we will discuss about at, in, on, to, into, onto. First, let's discuss about at. At is used to show a point in space where someone or something is. For example, a man is standing at the door. A soldier is standing at the flag post. Just like at the bus stop, at the top, at the end of the road, at the traffic light, at the window, etc. We use at when we say somebody is at an event while it is taking place, like at the party, at the concert, at the meeting, at the club, at the cinema, at the theatre, at the funeral, at home, at the football match, etc. We can take an example. There were many people at the party. I saw him at the football match. It is also used with the name of a building, especially with reference to the activity going on inside. For example, my daughter is at school. They are at work. She works at the hospital. Just like we can say at college, at university, at the cinema or theatre, etc. Now, let us discuss about in. In is more specific than at. Remember it. It is used with the name of a container, confined place or area where someone or something is, like in a cage, in the shed, in the basket, in the cradle, in a tray, in the kitchen, in the box, in the field, in the class, in the bag, in the shop, etc. We use in when which is in shape of something enclosed by. For example, he is sitting in a chair. He left the key in the lock. I have a pen in my hand. Rajesh is lying in bed. We say that somebody or something is in a line, in a row, in a street, in a mirror, in a magazine, in a newspaper, etc. For example, the children were standing in a line or in a row. She became happy seeing her photo in the newspaper. Let's move to on. On is used to show position or rest, covering or launching, or forming a part of the surface. For example, there is a jug on the table. The monkey is sitting on the roof. A rat is sitting on the box. There is a map on the wall. The girl is sitting on the grass. On is also used to indicate supported by or attached to somebody or something. For example, he is sitting on a chair. She has a black spot on her chin. She has put on a hat on his head, just like stand on one's feet. A blister on one's foot. A ring on one's finger. A flag on the pole. A coat on the hook. Address on the envelope, etc. On is used for a particular direction. For example, Susmita is on the right of Dipti. Hari is on the left of Madhu. There is a label on the bottle. On is used to indicate one of the side of something, such as river or road. For example, Cuttack stands on Mahanadi. There are trees on both sides of the road, just like on the corner of the street, on the east coast, etc. Now let us discuss about to. To is used to suggest movement in a direction towards. For example, boys are going to school. The child is walking to her mother. Just like on the way to station, from place to place, to hospital, etc. To is also used to indicate in a direction from a particular person or thing. For example, Bhubaneswar is to south of Cuttack. Anu is sitting to the left of Veena. To is also used to indicate reaching as far as particular thing. For example, the water came right up to his knee. Her frock reached down to her ankle. The garden extends up to the river bank. Let's now discuss about into. Into refers to movement. It indicates moving to a point within an enclosed space or volume. For example, the coin fell into a glass. Throw the waste paper into fire. The lion jumped into the deep well. Just like we use into to say that he went into the kitchen, came into the house, dived into the swimming pool, etc. Into also used to indicate in the direction of something. She stared straight into the camera. Speak clearly into the microphone. Into indicates the movement, a point at which one hits somebody or something. The boy nearly ran into a car when it stopped. The truck drove into the crowd. But students, remember one thing. He entered a room or building or classroom. Here into is not used generally. Also remember that the opposite of into is out of. For example, He got out of the car and went into the shop. The bird flew out of the cage. She jumped out of the bed. Out of is also used to indicate a place at a distance from a place. Mr. Mahapatra is out of the town this week. Fish cannot survive for only a short time out of water. Let's now discuss about onto. Onto is usually used to express movement to a position or a surface. For example, the ball fell onto the floor. The passenger stepped out of the train onto the platform. The child climbed onto his father's shoulder. Let's now discuss the use of from. We use from to indicate the place of direction from which somebody or something starts. For example, the students are coming from the school. She is eating from the plate. The cart is returning from the town. From is used to express distance. For example, our school is 3 kilometers from our village. The Jagannath temple is 2 kilometers from our house. Let's now discuss the use of by as a preposition of position. We use by to indicate a means of transport or route taken. For example, by bus, by train, by ship, by land, by sea or by air. Did you come by car or on foot? Do you prefer to travel by air or by sea? By is also used to indicate passing through something or a place. For example, the thief entered the house by the back door. We travel to Puri by Pipili and Sakhigopal. I go by the Bhadrak Stadium on my way to work. Now come to off. Off is used to express down or away from. For example, he fell off the horse. The ball rolled off the table. He caught another slice of the loaf. The cap fell off his head. The teacher expelled Rama of the class, etc. So students, in our next class, we will discuss about some other prepositions of the position. Till then, goodbye. Stay blessed.